If you're considering IK Multimedia, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making the purchase, and if you're already familiar with audio software, this video will help you decide whether it's the right choice compared to some of its competitors. Stick around, because I'll also let you know how you can try IK Multimedia for free and get the best offer available. First off, IK Multimedia is one of the go-to brands in the music production space. Their software and hardware have been widely recognized for their sound quality, range of features, and affordability. But just like any product, it comes with its pros and cons. So, let's dive into the 7 key things you should consider before buying it. Next, let's talk about the sound quality. IK Multimedia is known for its realistic emulations of classic gear and instruments. Whether it's their virtual instruments or amp simulators, their software often stands out when it comes to clarity and fidelity. Comparing this to some of the higher-end products like Universal Audio or Waves, IK Multimedia offers a solid sound for a much more affordable price. If you're a beginner or intermediate producer, this software can give you pro-level results without breaking the bank. The third thing to consider is the interface. While IK Multimedia has made strides in streamlining its user interface over the years, it can still feel a bit overwhelming, especially for beginners. The learning curve might not be as steep as some more complex DAWs, but it's still there. Competitors like Ableton or Logic Pro X are arguably easier to jump into if you're brand new, but IK's intuitive layout makes it a great choice if you have a bit of experience with music production.